Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel Sonam Maraki. In today's video we'll unbox and review the Fabbag August 2020 edition. This month there are 3 products of choice and they're from great brands. So I already know it's value for money. It's priced at $5.99 per month and it's lesser for longer subscriptions. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
This is how the box reached me as usual. So this is how the pouch looks like this month. Really pretty with the floral pattern on the back and on the flap here. And it is a faux leather quality. It can keep a lot of products as it's quite huge in size. And they have different color combinations. Instead of black, it might be a beige with floral print or something like that. Here are all the products. So let's go through them one by one. So the first product of choice is by Disguise Cosmetics and it is their Velvet Glow Multi-Stick. They have all the shades in choice. Some might run out of stock, so that is depending on when you buy. But very multi-purpose kind of makeup products. They can be used as an eyeshadow, as a lip topper, as a highlighter, multiple ways to use this. Cost is 600 rupees individually and here are the details, ingredients and everything. 3.2 gram size. And this brand is paraben free, cruelty free and 100% vegan. I've used their products before and I do like it. The shade I have chosen is 61 Bronze Sunfire. So this was supposed to be the darkest shade in the range as per the swatches. It is a retractable crayon, so it's easy to use that way. This is how the swatch looks like. It's not brown, it's kind of a copper color or a bronze color as the name of the shade is. Blend it like this to get a sheen on the skin rather than a line. I will probably use it on my eyes and maybe as a highlighter sometimes. It has a golden sheen to it, so it will suit darker skin tones more. There are different shades that will suit all skin tones, so you can choose accordingly. And the packaging is quite sturdy and nice, so that way I'm happy. This is definitely one of the good products and good brands. Then for the second product, there were different brands in choice, but I again chose Disguise because this is one of my favorite matte liquid lipsticks. This is the Disguise Feather Light Matte Liquid Lip Cream and the shade I chose is 33 Naughty Magenta because I already have 2 shades from this range. The first shade I would suggest is Curious Wine and then the red shade. I have both, so the third shade that I chose is this. This is again paraben free, lead free, everything, and the cost of this again is 700 rupees. And here it says about the product, it says matte yet comfortable, which is very true. This one is so lightweight, it doesn't feel like you have something on your lips. It's very matte at the same time and it stays put for a very long time. I personally love this liquid lipstick. So let's check out the new shade. They also have this pointed tip applicator like a leaf, which is very convenient to use and reach all the corners of your lips. This is how the swatch looks like, the color magenta, and I really like it. I like bolder colors rather than very light colors. They suit me more and I have that kind of vibe that I wear lipsticks always. So yes, I do like this shade. This will suit everybody. For fairer skin tones, this will be a very bold shade, and for darker skin tones, it will look really nice. So I am quite happy with this one also. This is actually my favorite product in the box, more than the multi-stick. But apart from this, there are different brands that you can choose from. All the different colors are also there. And you have some other products also apart from lipsticks if you don't want to buy lipsticks. Then the third product of choice is by Palmer's. They have 2 variants of their body lotion. The one I chose is Sheer Formula Raw Sheer Body Lotion. This is a small 11 ml size that is perfect for traveling or your trips, although we are not going anywhere right now. But maybe you can use it at your home. I have used Palmer's body lotion before and their cocoa butter before, and they are so amazing. They are really very nourishing and they keep your body hydrated and moisturized for a very long time. A really good brand again, and I like this product too. Although it's small, it's a good product. Then the next product we have is from Mom's Therapy, and this is gonna be fixed for everybody. It's a coffee body scrub, 50 gram full size. Cost of this is $325 and it expires in 2022 August. And here are more details about the product and the ingredients. It has very minimal ingredients, good ingredients that will work wonderfully on your skin. and this is how the product looks like. Smells divine. Of course, it's a coffee scrub, so it smells so nice. Can't wait to try this. I'm not sure if I have tried the Mom's Therapy Coffee Body Scrub, but I'm excited to try this one. Then the final product is a nail paint by Color FX New York. It says Perfect Stay, and the shade I got is number 131. There is no choice in this one. This is going to be random for everybody. It is 9 ml size. You will receive a nail paint from this particular brand, but the shades will vary. But I've seen the shade range, and the range is quite nice. You're probably gonna love anything that you receive. And it is a non-toxic nail color which will not make your nails yellow, so that is a plus point. I do like the shade that I received. It's a nice gray. Definitely happy with this one. So those were all the products in my August 2020 fab bag. Here is the info card. The theme this month is the Triumph August fab bag, and here are the pricing details mentioned. Overall, definitely value for money. Since we have a choice of shade in 3 products, I feel this is definitely worth buying. Now coming to the overall review, I did love this August month edition because I love this liquid lipstick by Disguise. It is really one of the best liquid lipsticks, very lightweight, long stay, and the colors are beautiful. This is a multi-purpose product. You can use it in many ways, and all the other 3 products are also really nice. A body lotion, coffee scrub, and the nail paint. Pouch is pretty cool, like really floral and nice. So overall, I'm very happy with this month's edition. Definitely, I'll recommend this if you are looking for any makeup or any of these products. It's especially good for people who use a lot of makeup, because in the choices there are amazing makeup options that you can choose from. So that was my honest opinion about the August fab bag. Do let me know what you think about this edition in the comment section below. And if you like this video, then please don't forget to give this video a big like. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.